closet space that breaks halfway through the door. Working around the trim here was a bit of a challenge. I undercut it, and I had to take one piece and cut the width and put the trim pieces back on, and then down this way as well. But while progress might seem a little bit anemic, this was the hardest bit. So after this, it should go in fairly well. I really struggled with this seam right below where that receptacle is, trying to make sure that it was straight, because those were cut at a ripped width so that they would fit. We'll see how it goes.